$100 to $5,000 a challenge. Guys, I started a challenge to trade $100 to $5,000 in Forex or Bitcoin market, which is the cryptocurrency market. So I focus on BTC. So currently we are at $1,100, but that is today. Then I took this trade. Once I create this trade, I will hit at least $1,500. So currently we are at 400 and something dollars. My target is to hit $700 profit with this current trade that I have here. These two trades here, I have to buy other. I entered a trade at 66,600. Now the price is now 67,000. I expect this price to hit 67,500, which is my take profit. So if the market goes sideways, I will have to close this trade manually. So let's see how it goes. Currently we are at 600 and something dollars in profit. We just enter. Wow. Okay, guys, I have to close this trade. Wow, it's dropping. I have to close it manually. Okay, guys, that is it. I have closed the trade. We are now at $1,500, heading towards our target, which is $5,000 at the end of 2 weeks. So let's see how this will play out. Then once this challenge is achieved, I will withdraw this money, then start all over again with $1,000 this time around. Then I will try to flip that $1,000 to $50,000, God willing. But I still expect this will achieve this together. So guys, if you have any question or suggestion in the comment section, kindly let me know. If you're not opting on this challenge, you are free. If you have any experience trading, then for those that are already professional traders, if you think there's anything I should know or we should know in general, kindly drop in the comment section. And also, if you are new to this channel, we provide variable information on how to make money online, including trading, crypto, sport betting, and the rest of them. So I'll be dropping tutorial videos on how to trade Forex generally in the few days to come. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, like this video so that YouTube and Facebook will recommend this to you and others, and it will also help this channel to grow. Okay, guys, as I mentioned earlier, I will be dropping tutorial videos for those people that want to learn. And then for our professional traders, share your experience in the comment section so that other people that want to join will also learn from you. Okay, that is all I have for today. Let's see you.